So welcome to another Machine Monday. Today I want to talk to you about ghost mode, which is what's happening behind me. So ghost mode is a special mode that we put the machine into to actually try and fault find a number of the problems that happen without parts on the production line. When setting up a cell like this, one of the biggest challenges we have is how do we get the automation working without consuming too many parts during the setup process. So what we do in a cell is we actually simulate the part even though it's not physically there. For example, we would make the grippers open and close, and we make the gripper sensors. We would even pass the data from one station to another, simulating the part. And this way, the software guys and the mechanical guys can actually get the line commissioned without actual parts in the line, and that's what we call ghost mode. One of the key milestones for ghost mode is actually to run the line for about 24 hours with no stoppages, and then we know actually our commissioning process has actually gotten to a point where we can start introducing physical parts on the production line. The big advantage for our customers, they can actually send us far less components, reducing the cost of the overall project. And when we deliver the line to the customer, we would also run a ghost mode during the commissioning phase at the customer site. Once the ghost mode passes the 24 hours, we would then start to introduce parts again. There has to be somebody here for 24 hours to run and make sure that nothing happens. But typically, once you get to the 12 hour mark, the line is pretty stable. But we would definitely have somebody here for the first 24-hour run to make sure that there's no crashes or unexpected situations. If you're interested in knowing more about our machines, reach out. Here's another Machine Monday.